I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying network and power so the app won't stall. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected or cellular data is enabled. Open the YouTube app. If it's missing, tap the App Store, search YouTube, and install it. Once installed, launch YouTube and sign in with your Google account because signing in syncs subscriptions and history. If you prefer not to, you can continue as a guest, but some features like subscriptions won't appear. Now you're ready to find videos. Now you'll search and pick content. Tap the search icon, enter concise keywords, and apply filters like upload date or view count to narrow results quickly. When you open a video, use the scrub bar to jump to a point. Make small taps for precision. Tap subscribe to follow a channel, like to register preference, and save to a playlist for later viewing. Make sure to check recommended videos on the right or below. They are algorithm cues that help you discover related content. Finish by mastering playback. Tap the three-dot menu to change quality when buffering, enable captions for clarity, and rotate your device for full screen. If you want larger sound, use AirPlay or a Bluetooth speaker. Make sure downloaded videos appear under Library if you saved them. If something goes wrong, restart the YouTube app, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or sign out and back in. That often clears account or connection glitches. If issues persist, check storage space and update the app where possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.